in the northern Barrens, the economy rides on caravans. Goods, grains, and gold move down the gold road like currency through a market. However, one predator has always destabilized this system: the witch-wing harpies. Their nests in the dry hills are more than a threat. They're a constant liability on the balance sheet of trade. Harpies trace their lineage to Aviana, the wild god of light. Regardless of their divine origins in the Barrens, they operate like unregulated market raiders. Their business model is simple: intercept caravans, seize assets, and impose a form of bandit taxation. Every strike is withdrawal from the region's economic reserves. Harpies are exclusively female and run in matriarchies, essentially monopoly. At the top is the flock's matron, who dictates every hostile takeover. Below her are lieutenants, who manage collections, ensuring the raids runs with ruthless efficiency. Their structure mirrors a vertical market, with power and profit flowing straight to the top. Adventurers first encounter the system through Darsock Swift Dagger's orders. He sends you after the lowest rung, the Harpy Raiders, to cut into their cash flow. Then you're directed towards the lieutenants, whose removal amounts to collapsing middle management. Each quest is a form of targeted market corruption. At the core is Serena Bloodfeather, the matron herself. For her, raids are not just profit-driven. They're fueled by revenge after Rexar killed her sister. But in financial terms, her campaign represents economic warfare. Serena engineered a hostile monopoly on the dry hills, raising the risk premium on every shipment that dared to pass the Barrens. The effects are measurable. When caravans are hit, supply dwindles, demand rises, and scarcity pricing kicks in. The cost of goods inflates across the region, from the Crossroads to Ratchet, as communities absorb the hidden tax of Harpy aggression. Even Orgrimmar feels the pinch as resources arrive slower at a higher cost. Bringing down Serena is more than a victory in battle. It's a form of debt relief for the entire Barrens. Remove the monopolist at the top, and suddenly, trade routes open, costs normalize, and the market stabilizes. It's not permanent. Competition always returns, but the immediate effect is a surge of confidence and liquidity in the region's economy. So when you hear those shrill cries above the gold road, remember, you're not just facing a monster. You're facing a financial disruptor. The witch-wing harpies of the Barrens stand as a living lesson in risk, monopoly, and market volatility. And every adventurer who takes up arms against them is performing not just a quest, but an act of economic stabilization.